Hey sister, I have an idea.
What?
You know, because our room is kind of boring. You know what could be way funner?
Go in a van?
Yeah, we should go pack our bags and go in the van. We should like prank a mom or something, like we disappeared.
Yeah, and look where else we could go. Disneyland.
But we got no money for that though.
Mom already bought us the ticket, remember?
Well, we can't go by ourselves, so okay, well, I'll choose this bag.
Oh, that's not fair. You
got-
always get that bag.
You got this bag with the wheels. Whose Mickey Mouse is this?
I think that was when we were a baby.
I don't know. Do I want to bring this? I don't think so.
I'm bringing a ball. Let me see if it fits. Oh my god, it doesn't fit. Sister, can you get that?
Yeah, I'll pack this.
It's something that I could pack for us. Music.
Radio music. Okay, we need a phone just in case.
We need pizza.
Pizza. Where's the pizza?
That's for when we call them.
Oh.
Duh.
And then we got a cake.
I'm going to go get some other stuff that I was thinking.
Okay.
This is all the other stuff that I was thinking to bring. Oh.
Why is there so much stuff?
Mom said I could go shopping for something that I want to do.
Okay, well, let's just put it in here.
Hey, that's my stuff.
We're sharing, remember?
But all the face care stuff are mine. Hey, I'm taking
Hey.
getting everything from the cart when I bought them.
Yeah, we were sharing, remember? This is not my bag. We're sharing bags. Jeez. Then we maybe need like a car like this one. Or like this one. So we're going to pack that in our bag. Anything else? Maybe just a mouse. I think we're good. Maybe one more car. If it fits. I think we're good.
I'm using the cart now.
Okay. I don't know why we just didn't use a cart instead of me filling my bag with your stuff. Anyways, I got 2 cars for us so we can play. Come on, sister, we gotta be faster. Oh, we gotta go. It's already getting a little dark and we don't want to be there when it gets dark. We don't want to go out in the night and then have to look for a van because it's super dark. So are you ready to go, sister?
Yeah, wait. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, come on, sister. Come
I
on.
have more stuff. It's just this cart right now.
Okay, so we're finally here. Didn't get too dark before we got here, but I guess now we're here. So now what do we do?
Decorate, of course. I love decorating.
Okay, but we don't take too long because we kind of want to do stuff. That's a couch.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so where are we putting this?
I don't know. You're the one that brought it.
Aha, I got an idea. Sister, after we're done, we're using this cart for something.
Okay, and then I got a bunch of snacks and toys that we can use for later.
Yeah, let's put them in the fridge.
I'm going to go upstairs and put the beds up.
Okay, here's my bed.
Okay, I'm going to open this. So heavy. Okay. There's one bed right here, and that's Mama's bed, but she's not here, so I'm just going to put sister's bed right here for now. There you go. It's a little wobbly, but that's like the fun part of it. And that's it. Okay, so what are we doing with all these snacks?
Putting them in the fridge.
I thought you said you were going to do that.
Yeah, I was, and then I got distracted. Okay, these can't fit, so we're just going to, oh, these could be useful for a table. That's stuff that can't fit.
I have a ball.
A bubblegum ball?
No, just a ball.
It's just a ball.
And then I have some in this for your face.
Yeah.
And then there's a cart. Oh, we can't forget our music.
Yeah,
Put that right here.
Yeah, no, let's put it right here.
No, I think we should put it right here.
Fine. It's almost your birthday, so yeah, you're the boss. So it's almost your birthday. Let's put it right here.
Then I think we're decorating too much. Like, we're not going to stay here all night.
Yeah, but it's really fun to decorate.
Well, we want to do stuff.
Yeah. We're almost done. Where should we put the phone?
Oh, I got a phone. I'll put that in upstairs where we sleep.
Okay.
Okay, so now what do you want to do? I feel like first we should put a face mask on.
We didn't bring none of that.
You brought shampoo and bubble soap, but you didn't bring a face mask? Well, I guess we can play cards that I got.
How about I could go behind you?
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hey.
I almost fell off. That
Whoa.
means if
Whoa.
I would lose if I fell off.
Oh, no.
Whoever falls off
Whoa.
loses.
Wait. Oh, my God. Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yeah.
It sounds like footsteps. Oh, my God. Is Mom coming? Oh my God, we gotta hide. I don't know where to hide. Huh? I didn't leave this place all messy like this. I just cleaned like yesterday. How did it get like this? And I know the kids are in the house, at least I think. There's cars right here. Snack table. Let me see these snacks. If this donut is warm, they're here. It's warm. They're here. Okay, where are they? In the driver's seat? No. Up here? What? They made the beds and everything. What? They're not up here, looks like. The bathroom? No, not in here. Under here? What? Where's your sister?
Will you give me a donut tomorrow and fruit?
No. You guys are in trouble right now. Tell me where your sister is.
Fine, she's in the van.
Obviously, she's in the van. Where is she in the van?
In the drawers next to the restroom.
Sweetie, get out. I know you are. Sister! You're supposed to say just me.
Just me?
Yeah, like you're just in here, not me. Guys, what are you doing in the forest by yourselves when it's getting dark? Well, we got a little bored and we wanted to play in the van. So, sweetie, what is your excuse?
So, sister.
Excuse me. No, not me. You said the van, not me.
Yeah, you said I'm kind of bored.
Yeah.
I want to do something.
Yeah, and you said the van. Remember?
And you said that we should do something, and you always know.
Well, I was saying like toys and watching a movie, and then you said we should go in the van.
Not should. I just said van, not should. I just said.
Well, you're the one that was packing and Okay, that's it. Stop fighting. You guys both in trouble for both coming to the van. Now, get all this stuff and get in the house. Come on. Oh, I told you we did all this decorating.
You didn't tell me.
I told you we did all this decorating, so we barely got to play. All we got to play was with these cars. Well, we got to pick up our toys now since Mom came, so let's pick up our toys. All this decorating. Now it's all ruined.
I'm tired.
Well, you can't get tired. We have to clean up. This is your idea. Oh, wait, we forgot to close the bed. Okay, get the blanket. Get the blanket. And then we close this. Ugh. I don't know how to close this. Mom usually closes this.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh my
There
God,
you go.
that hurt my ear, sister.
Okay, well, I'm ready to go. How about you?
Yeah. God, look at this.
How'd you bring all that?
My super strength.
Okay, well, let's go.
Ow.
It looks like they cleaned up the place and everything. There is a car right here. You know, they don't see me, so like, I'm just gonna play with the car. I haven't played with cars in so long. This is so much fun. Okay, I gotta go. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye.